Hey everyone, are you also struggling to grow your online business? Did you know that authentic Google reviews can skyrocket your business's credibility overnight, and all it takes is just one website? Yes! Today, I'm going to show you a game-changing way to buy real Google reviews using Naizop. Whether you're a small business owner or just looking to enhance your online presence, this is your chance to stand out from the crowd. Stick around, because I'll guide you step by step on how to make this happen. Let's get started. Well, you know that buying reviews is against Google Plus's terms of service, right? It's a bit unethical, to be honest, but still, these days, everything is fair in love and war, and business has become a bloody war. So, even though it's a little unethical, every business is doing it now. In fact, even big businesses that already have thousands of reviews are doing it. They aren't buying reviews to increase the review count, they already have enough. But they are using them as part of their SEO strategy. Have you noticed how Google always shows top business listings in search results? An important factor that decides ranking is reviews. When you get regular reviews from your customers, it's just a review where the customer shares their experience. But when you buy reviews, you get more control over the reviews, so you can optimize them with your target keywords and LSI terms that can help your business rank higher on Google. So it's not just new businesses, even established businesses are buying reviews. But some businesses are buying reviews in ways that can cause unwanted problems. For example, when they want to buy reviews, they go to random websites and order some reviews, but those random websites often offer very typical review services. Like if you order 100 reviews, they will give you 100 5-star reviews. Now, no matter how good your product or service is, you always get some negative reviews. Sometimes even satisfied customers leave 4-star reviews. But if all 100 reviews are 5 stars, it looks very suspicious and can trigger Google's algorithm. On the other hand, those random websites post reviews in a way that makes them obvious. Like, if you order reviews, they give you the option to choose how many reviews you want each day. So let's say you select 5 reviews per day, which seems fine, but the problem is that if the same number of reviews come at the same time every day, a pattern is created, and Google's algorithm can easily detect that suspicious pattern. So buying reviews is not that simple. It's quite critical because if it looks obvious, Google will remove all your purchased reviews, and even worse, prospective customers may never trust your business. But as I said earlier, buying reviews is a good strategy, and almost every business is doing it now. So if you want to buy reviews, I would recommend you a real and authentic website where you can easily rank your business. For that, you need to visit their official website called Naizop, which you can find in the description of this video. Then you can sign up with your Google account, which is quite simple. After that, you will see an interface like this. Basically, this is a website through which you can buy any social media related service. I've already made a video on buying TikTok followers, which you can watch. Now here you will find the option to buy services, and you just need to click on it. If you look here, you'll find a search box, and below it, platforms like TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, and many others will be shown. Now, you need to come to the search bar and search for Google Map Reviews like I am doing. You'll see a service appear named Google Map Reviews Worldwide. 5 stars plus custom comments, high quality, permanent, red description. This means you will receive reviews from all over the world like the USA, Germany, UK, and more. These reviews come with a high quality 5-star rating and are permanent. The reviewers will read the description of your site as well because these are high quality reviews. You can also read the description of this service here. For example, it says, "After placing your order, contact our support team for assistance. We'll assist you and make sure everything is set up." Once you place an order, you can reach out to their support team if you face any issues. You will receive these reviews within about 6 hours, and yes, they are non-drop, meaning any review you purchase here will not disappear. Next, scroll down and first provide the link to your Google business page. Then go to the comments section, where you'll enter 1 comment per line. Here's an example. I'll type, "This is the best place I've ever seen in my life." Now, if you look above, you'll see the quantity is now 1, indicating that I have entered 1 review. If I press enter and write a second review, you'll see that the quantity updates to 2. Now, if we talk about the price of a review, 1 review costs $8, which is quite reasonable, and 2 reviews would cost $16. After that, simply confirm everything and click the purchase button to place your order. This is a quick guide on how to buy reviews for Google Business. I hope you find this video helpful. Make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next Media Tech video.